Hey, welcome to Leadzpipe Tutorials. In this video, let's check out how to sync landing page leads in Leadzpipe. So when you log into your account and land on Leadzpipe dashboard, check the options on the header. Step 1, click on Pipes. Step 2, click on Create Pipe. Step 3, click on Create under Web Form to sync any landing page lead, and proceed. Step 4, add the landing page URL here, and hit on Scan. Make sure your landing page is SSL secured. Step 5, after hitting Scan, map your landing page form fields with Leadzpipe fields, and continue. Step 6, select a tag for that particular lead form. For example, if the leads are of real estate, give it a tag as real estate. Step 7, give this pipe a name. You can give it the same name as your Facebook campaign name, so that you can recognize it easily. After completing the above steps, click on Next to proceed. Step 8, if you want to send real-time lead notifications to someone, then add them here in Lead Recipient. Step 8, if you want to send real-time lead notifications to someone, then add them here in Lead Recipient. Step 8, if you want to send real-time lead notifications to someone, then add them here in Lead Recipient. Step 8, if you want to send real-time lead notifications to someone, then add them here in Lead Recipient. Click on Next and proceed to the next step. Step 9, if you want to send real-time welcome emails to the leads which get generated, add a welcome email. If you do not know how to create a welcome email, please check our tutorial video on it. Click on Next and it's done. After completing the steps, you have added the embedded code on your landing page in order to sync it with Leadzpipe. Need content here. Step 10, click on Embedded Code. Step 11, copy the embedded code and paste it on the body of your landing page. Step 12, after pasting the code on your landing page, click on Verify for verification. Kudos, it's done. Your leads will start pushing into your Leadzpipe account in real-time basis. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful.